absMessage, the all-in-one application for message and resource monitoring. Are your operators spread too thin? Give them automated monitoring of messages and system resources. End the surprises and production interruptions with real-time alerting of messages and critical job and system issues. absMessage goes beyond what IBM gives you with the simple display message command for such as qsysAPA. Here is a typical session. You could see we have a column added for the various LPARs that we might be monitoring. We color code the message text, red meaning it's waiting for operator action, yellow meaning the operator has responded to it. We also have a GUI interface. The GUI interface follows the color coding and the LPAR naming and conventions and such as the 5250. But in addition, with the web GUI, we have the capability to add graphics. So not just some simple dials, but right-click on any of the dials for CPU or DASD utilization and drill down into the details behind these current conditions. We can monitor messages by the message ID, the message type, maybe for a particular critical job or program. We have what's called force message acknowledgement. Now, IBM has the habit of issuing many critical messages as star informational, and therefore they're not critical in IBM's eyes, but a lot of times they are critical to you. So what we do is we give you the ability to make these critical informational messages act just like an inquiry message, meaning we will color code red if it's waiting for an operator intervention and yellow once the operator has responded. And it's much more than just a message monitoring tool. It's an all-in-one application. It will also monitor and react to your system resources, be it utilizations of CPU or DASD, jobs, subsystem jobs, user jobs, queues, job queues, out queues, message queues. We can monitor virtually any of the statuses of an object on the IBMI. So here is the network view. You can see the column for the LPAR name. We have informational messages, those critical informational messages we want to require the operator to respond to. Here, a critical subsystem is not running. We can see an inquiry message. In this case, it's yellow, so that the operator has responded to this. So we can be able to monitor and react very quickly to the different conditions. I can switch between a network view and just a simple local view, eliminate that column of viewing all the LPARs. It gives me a little bit more text on the message IDs. But from either session, I also have the F7 key, the selection key. So if I hit F7, maybe I'm looking for a particular error. Somebody called me up and said they're having a problem. So I can find a particular message ID. I could also find the message types first thing in the morning, show me all of the unanswered inquiry messages, or show me all of the messages for the users Jay Smith. Jay Smith is on the phone, he's having a problem, and so on. So I can have these filters in place to help me be very productive.